Hello YouTube, it's me again. I got a little helper here and she's a little shy. Anyway, this is what we're doing today. We are putting the board on the little shoe bench, which is over here. I'll show you the shoe bench. Watch, we'll turn the camera over this way. And that metal thing right there is a shoe rack. I'm gonna drill some holes and put some screws in it. So anyway, I'll turn this back here but I put several coats of lacquer, luster thing, and what do you call it? We're having a good old time. So yeah, I'm gonna drill some holes and in a minute I'll show you the rest of it. This is the last version of the shoe bench. No more shoe bench videos, except for maybe shoes on it. Thank you. Hello YouTube, it's us two again. Yeah, I'll drill a hole through here. There's one. Here's another one.
What is that, glass?
Metal.
Metal?
Of course, I just dinged it. Yeah, I dinged it. I should probably put something next to it, maybe. There's the next hole. A little wobbly. You realize you can be in the video, huh? That's my helper. That one. I think my head's in the video on that one. I should move this over here. Okay, my fat head was in that video. See? Try not to. My glasses keep falling off. There we go. 6 holes. That's going to hold the seat on. So now, we'll pause and I'll show you the next part. Hello YouTube. It's me again. Oh, careful. Watch. See this? This goes in here like that. See? Ta-da! But I got to put screws in it. So we're going to flip it over and put it on the bench. Put screws in it. Cool, huh? Okay. Let me just turn the video off now. Hello YouTube. I'm just putting the screws in here. Of course, this drill's in the way. But helps I clean the bench. Clean bench, sick mind. I don't know if you can see that. And there's this one left to do. One here. Basically, drill the holes, put it in there. Don't mind that, that's my helper back there making noise. Anyway, this is the end of the shoe bench. Everything is done. Look at that. Nice and done. Now I just gotta try not to scratch it. Ta-da! One shitty video of a shoe bench. Cool, huh? Did you break my brushes?
No.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Shoe bench. Finished product. Cool, huh? Yeah. Comes up pretty nice. There's the brat playing with the vise.